Hi there. Are you looking at filing an application under the L1A managerial position? Well, I want to read out some of the job duties that you should at least mention in your employment offer letter as well as employment confirmation letter to prove not only that you have this work experience in your company, but also that that is the description and the job duties that you'll be performing when you are transferred to the US. So in a managerial capacity, it means an assignment within an organization in which the employee's primary job duties will be as follows. They manage the organization or a department or a subdivision of the company and its functions or components of the organization. So this is very important. They manage a subdivision. They're not really the ones who manage the entire organization. That potentially would be the executive, but you're responsible for a division of that company. The second also is supervising and controlling the work of other employees, potentially either perhaps junior or newly trained managers, and they manage essential functions within that organization, so within that division of the bigger organization. The third thing is they have the authority to hire and fire employees within their department. Again, the distinction here is within their department. They're not really those who hire and fire for the company as a whole. They usually are responsible for a department and they're responsible for the growth of that department. They're responsible for recommending hires and fires of that department and essentially actually executing that if they see fit. They're also the ones that will give you the review and will recommend promotions of employees. The fourth is they exercise discretion over the day-to-day operations and activities and functions of that department. And the key here is the day-to-day functions versus, again, an executive, there's a lot of overlap here, but as an executive, you're not really responsible for day-to-day. You're more responsible for the whole picture of the company, perhaps on an annual basis or quarterly basis. You review it, you make decisions based on reports and so forth. As a manager, you're really responsible for day-to-day activities, and you exercise your discretion on day-to-day activities. So that's an L1A managerial position. If you would like to compare it, please do watch my video on L1A executive job duties. Thank you, and until next time.